You're not gonna believe that this mac and cheese is made with cottage cheese and it turns out this cheesy and delicious. Plus, it's super easy to make and it's got 22 grams of protein. Hi, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel, I share all the kitchen skills moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more. While the macaroni is cooking, I'm gonna make the creamy cheese sauce in the blender. Why? Because cottage cheese normally has those curds, and if you add it straight into the sauce, it's not gonna be nice and smooth. I'm gonna add the cottage cheese in the blender. You can use regular or low-fat cottage cheese for this recipe, both work. And then I'm gonna add some milk. This is gonna thin out the sauce a little, and then some seasoning. Let's add a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, a tiniest bit of paprika, some salt, and pepper, and some cornstarch to thicken up our sauce. I'm going to blend this in medium-high speed until it's nice and smooth. It's always a good idea to reserve a little bit of pasta water before you drain it, just in case you want to thin it out. Now that the pasta is ready, I want to heat up the cottage cheese over low heat in my pasta pot. I'm also adding 1 cup of grated cheddar, and the cheddar you want to stir to mix and melt it. Now, as you can see, as it heats up and the cheese melts, it blends into a cheese sauce. When your cheddar cheese has melted and your sauce is liquid like this, now we add our cooked macaroni. I'm gonna mix it up. This level of thickness and cheesiness is just the way my family likes it. If you like yours a little saucier, remember that, reserve water, add a little bit into your pot, mix it in really well, and that'll thin out the cheese sauce. Wow, guys, this is the creamiest, cheesiest cottage cheese and mac and cheese. And with 22 grams of protein, you need this recipe in your life. Everything you need to make it, it's in the description box, and you've got yourself some high protein mac and cheese.